Okay.
Sorry,
If
Rajesh.
you, I think,
Continue. I think this video doesn't have audio. No, am I right?
no, sir. Actually, it has audio.
It's okay. Okay, you carry on. Come on.
One more. Okay.
It's
But
okay.
actually, that's the children are speaking. I don't know why coming.
Because of the internet.
Leave it. No problem.
No
We
problem.
can understand.
Continue.
Okay, sir. You see, if you observe that in the video, in the audio, using such type of flashcards in the classroom, the children about their family members, about my father plays with me, my mother cooks for us, my tall, my sister is short and small, like that. So let the children speak regarding about their family members beyond the textbook. If you are using only textbooks to speak about family members, and they may not give, uh, may not speak somewhat points on that. So such type of flashcards will help the children to speak on that. And next thing is that see some type of craft activities. Here I gave this idea of fruit, vegetables. So I gave different type of fruits and vegetables to my children and asked them to segregate worksheet which you like and which you don't like. So after this, they wrote two or 3 points regarding that. I like a pomegranate and guava because of it is sweet. So the type of activities, the activity will help the children to speak on foods like that. So the activities will help the children. What I'm telling that if you are giving a speaking activity to the children, integrate in the learning process, not take this isolately or now we are going to some speaking activity like that. So integrate the activity in your teaching practice, and definitely every children participate actively in the classroom process, and moreover that here you will see talk about that likes. I like some what the parrot will talk and how what the puppy will do and how is an apple like that. So here such integrating activities will help the children to speak about this all these things. And another thing is once you transit the lesson, suppose if you see here is a lesson elephant and friends. Here while transition lesson using their textbook or whatever it may be, here the elephant met so many friends and asked, "Will you be my friend?" Like that. He met the different animals in the forest, so monkey, frog, and rabbit and fox, different animals. So after completion of the lesson, if you ask the children to speak few lines about the story and express the story in your ways, I think the story may not so much understandable to the children. So what I am doing in the activity like that, such type of preparing such type of models will help the children. Suppose if you see prepare this connecting and keeping all the integrity of the lesson. So while what the animals are there in the lesson, I have drawn on the animals in the backside of the chart, and I connected and developed this tool, and so if you observe that if you're rotating this, they can speak easily. What are they fox say like that, and what other animals expresses their views, expresses their ideas when the elephant came to them. So Like that, the activity, the integration of the learning skills in activities in the classroom practices in the learning process, it will help the children, to speak on, different type of activities. Here you see another activity, the conjunction. So I prepared this model to give an understanding and basic understanding of the conjunction, and ask them to write a few sentences on that, the conjunction code, and it will help the children to speak regarding using the conjunction also. So this will also, I integrate these activities in the classroom and in the lessons also, and ask the children to identify the sentence and how we use those sentences in your daily situations. So like this, I'm integrating such activities, developing the speaking skills of my children. So first of all, I already told you that graphics and diagrams will help the children to speak on that, and some learning models and teaching models will help the children to speak and on the topic, and such type of models and integrated activities for some craft activities, some writing activities, some innovative learner-centered activities or learning-centered activities will help speak in the classroom. So these activities, I think these activities will also help the children to integrate in some reading task also. Not only for the simple speaking skill also, they can develop easily the different other skills which is integrated with the speaking also. So here the few of the activities I'm doing in my classroom, and I gave a lot of progress in my the children. The definitely the second to fifth and sixth class children also, they can easily speak and they can easily express their ideas. I think the another video I will show you that. I think the audio is I think you can read the description below the audio, below the video. If you can't, the Cunning Fox lesson.
Rajesh sir, keep your mic near the speaker of the laptop.
No, sir. Actually, I connected to the Bluetooth speaker. Because why the audio is not coming out? You see, if you see the description under that, using some small, they easily express what is the story there in the textbook, and this type of activity will engage all the children. Suppose I can't say that this will easy in the doing in the higher classes, but for the group, if you're creating such type of activities to speak using some puppets in the classroom, will help the children to connect their ideas, connect the ideas regarding the content. So I use different type of such innovative learning-centered activities in the classroom will help the children to speak something on that, and integrating these speaking activities type of classroom activities will help, and also so many language games I am using in the classroom to develop the speaking, write something and speak in front of the class like that. So the activities what I have been telling you that, and you can read in my blog and also published by the British Council also. Then if you type it and www.rozclassroom.com, you see Roz Classroom, classroom.com, you will get the different type of speaking activities in that, and it will all the activities which are there in the website is only classroom, real-time classroom practices. The real-time classroom practices there in the website only, and it is doing with our primary school children only. So primary and high school and with government school, especially in the government school children. So this is about a few activities regarding the speaking, listening and speaking skills in my classroom. What I have been practicing in my classroom. So if time permits, I will show you, go to the regarding some reading skills also. Sir?
Okay, Rajesh, it is okay for today because already it is we are running our extension session. So anyway, we have
Okay.
a extension session tomorrow. We will discuss reading and writing tomorrow.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
now here are some raising hands who are very much interested to ask you one or two questions. So I give chance, Mr. Salim Pasha, you have raised your hand. So if you have any question, please do ask Mr. Rajesh.
Welcome, sir.
Right.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, your presentation is awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Are there any questions? Are there any questions?
Venkateshwar Rao, sir.
Yeah.
Please address.
Okay. All of you, before that, all of you, please unmute your videos so that we'll take a snap.
Right, please. I hope one request to all the participants. So let us all maintain the webinar decorum. So please, you think as it is a very formal meeting, and though we are at our homes, just let us all feel that it is in a formal meeting where we all sit in right place, we stick at one place, so that we can avoid some unnecessary disturbance. Hope you have been supporting the ELTA. Without your support, we cannot conduct this kind of webinars every day. So as we have been inspired with your tremendous support, we are doing this act. Thank you all. Please mute your mics and open your audio. Then I am going to take your print.
Video. Mute your mic and start your video.
Right, I have taken the pics. Venkateshwar Rao, sir, please say vote of thanks to Rajesh for today's session. Okay, anyway, we have tomorrow. Just to end note. Please say the end note.
Thank you, Lakshman. Rajesh sir, it is awesome presentation. Really, it is very useful to our teachers. What is lacking in English? In all other subjects, we have TLM, but coming to English, there is scarcity of TLM. Teachers need to prepare TLM, but people who are teaching English still think that it is somewhat difficult to prepare TLM. You have thrown a light how to prepare TLM for the subject English. It is very useful. Basing on the guidelines that you have given, we will work, and also we prepare TLM for high school section also. This is only the basic thing, but on these grounds we can prepare many things. The COVID has given us a lot of time so that we make use of this time and prepare TLM, being at home, stays at home safe, and keep exploring and working. Thank you, Rajesh sir, for giving us time, though you are very busy with other sessions. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, TV Rao sir. Besides, today's session is a really wonderful one. So here Rajesh told us that how we can create different activities and how we can integrate the activities with our text instead of using only the pictures given in the textbook. How we can create new activities to integrate the lesson and to make the lesson very interesting. Hope besides all the school assistants, I am very sure all our SGT friends must have enjoyed this session. So if any SGT teacher is there in the group, please, I am
Respond.
to respond. One SGT teacher. Anyone, please. So now it is in speaker active mode. One SGT teacher, because we have already some time to end this session. Now I invite one SGT teacher to respond on this session.
Gordon.
Hello. So here Manjula madam is there. Many SGT teachers are seen on the board. Anyone can respond.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Lakshman, sir.
Yes. Please.
I am Sadanandam, sir. I am Sadanandam.
Yeah.
Great.
Good evening, sir. TV Rao, sir. Good evening, all. Good afternoon, all of you, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, Sadanand sir, you reflect.
1 minute, Sadanand.
Yeah.
Open your video.
Rajesh, sir.
Open your video and speak.
Rajesh, sir, it's a wonderful presentation, sir. Really, as Venkateshwar sir said that we have a scarcity of TLM in our English language. But you have...
Sadananda, please stop your video. Stop your video and say only audio, right? Stop your video and say audio.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have thrown a lot of questions to English language teachers, sir. If there is a will, there is a way. We can make a lot of TLM for the purpose of teaching English language, sir. The puppets, the flashcards, charts, whatever you prepared is excellent, sir. Really mind-blowing. Really, every teacher should follow these kind of activities in their respected schools. Children really they follow they learn very easily if we provide this kind of context or situations. Really, it's wonderful, sir. Rajesh sir, appreciation. A big round of applause for you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
I would like to thank the whole ELTA team, sir. I have been with you, I think, since 2015, when the ELTA module was designed. You conducted classes for so many weeks, I think, for weeks. We precisely, the teachers of primary schools benefited from your classes immensely, sir. It was your motivation that is striving us, sir. Really, we do not forget you. Your contribution towards teachers of primary schools. You have visited our schools of Atmakura and Damera Mandals. Really, it's awesome work from the team of ELTA, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sadanandam.
Okay.
Really,
Thank you.
Great feedback. And Mr. Sadanandam is also running a group by name OST, our school through English, which is given by ELTA team. And in the WhatsApp group with the full quorum, 250
almost whole ELTA is there, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Rajesh sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Srinivas Reddy, please speak.
Yeah. Thank you, Rajesh Garu, for your activities which are you are explaining, and your activities which were providing to your children. And I request all the educated teachers who are participated in these web programs, learn and let us use the TLM for our classroom situations also. And I thank you, Rajesh Garu, for wonderful presentations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
thank you.
Rajesh. Okay, tomorrow I'll give you chance to say your experience
Okay.
as a group. Okay, Rajesh, thank you.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Tomorrow,
With this, we are
Same time.
tomorrow we have the same time, same session, which will be dealt with reading and writing skills.
writing skills, some digital
Okay.
tools also.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
thank
you,
you.
one and all. I'm
Thank
going
you.
to end the meeting.
Yeah, thank you.